Am I getting wrinkles? It's time to make the Chicken Parm Supreme.
Yes.
Take a beautiful sub roll and open it up. I'm gonna hit the bottom of the roll with some beautiful pink vodka sauce.
Wow, look at that.
Painted nice.
Now, chicken cutlets. 2. More vodka sauce.
Yes.
Oh my God. Bathe it in the vodka sauce.
Fresh mozzarella. In the oven, a melted cheese. The cheese is melted, the sub's out of the oven. Now we're gonna hit it with some pesto. Grated cheese. Then we're gonna close it up. Ready?
Wow.
This belong on the new menu. Let me know, make it nice.